upbeat music plays, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves you time, money, and maybe even a little bit of sanity when it comes to your shopping choices. Today, we're diving into a battle of the clean machines, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum versus the Waitbird Steam Cleaner. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do I need two machines to clean my floors? Well, my friends, it's not just about floors. It's about the epic showdown between vacuuming and steaming. It's like a cleaning Olympics. So grab your popcorn and let's find out which of these cleaning titans takes home the gold medal. Let's kick things off with price. The Bissell PowerFresh is priced at $185, while the Waitbird comes in at a more budget-friendly $139. Reviewers have appreciated that the Waitbird is more affordable without sacrificing quality. However, many Bissell users rave about its dual functionality, highlighting that it saves them time and effort, justifying the higher price tag. So if you're looking to save some bucks, the Waitbird is the winner here. But remember, you get what you pay for. Now let's get down to business. Functionality. The Bissell PowerFresh offers a 2-in-1 special, allowing you to vacuum and steam your floors simultaneously, which many reviewers find incredibly convenient. On the other hand, the Waitbird shines with its impressive 21 accessories, making it versatile enough to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. Reviewers have noted that while the Bissell is great for everyday cleaning, the Waitbird is like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. When it comes to sanitization, both machines have impressive claims. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which users have confirmed helps keep their homes hygienic. However, the Waitbird takes it up a notch with high-temp steam reaching up to 248, making it even more effective against tough stains and grime. Reviewers have pointed out that the Waitbird Steam can tackle everything from soap scum to stubborn stains, making it a favorite for deep cleaning. Let's talk ease of use. The Bissell features digital controls that let you switch between vacuuming, steaming, or doing both with just a touch, easy as ordering pizza. Reviewers love this feature, noting that it makes cleaning a breeze. Meanwhile, the Waitbird also receives high marks for ease of use, with a safety lock that keeps it family-friendly. Users have mentioned that it's lightweight and easy to maneuver around the house, despite the high steam temperature. Capacity matters too. The Waitbird boasts a large 38 ounces tank that heats up in under 5 minutes, providing up to 45 minutes of steam. Reviewers appreciate this extended cleaning time, noting it allows them to clean without constant refills. The Bissell doesn't specify its tank size, but users have mentioned that it suffices for regular cleaning tasks. However, some have found it a bit less efficient when it comes to larger areas compared to the Waitbird. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The Bissell PowerFresh is favored for its dual functionality and ease of use, while the Waitbird is celebrated for its versatility and powerful steam capabilities. Users recommend both products based on their unique cleaning needs, showing that each serves a purpose in the cleaning arsenal. So who's the ultimate cleaning champion? If you're looking for a steam vacuum combo that's all about convenience, the Bissell PowerFresh is your friend. But if you want a steamer that's versatile and eco-friendly, then the Waitbird is the way to go. In the end, it all comes down to your cleaning style. Just remember, whether you're vacuuming and steaming or just steaming, there's no shame in wanting a clean house. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which product you think cleaned up in this showdown. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.